Hey guys, in this video we are going to learn about initializing variables with assignment operator. Okay, so it is common to initialize a variable to an initial value in the same line as it is declared. So previously we learned that uh, when we declare a variable like myVar, we used to do like this. Then we used to write my var is equal to 0. But now we can usually initialize a variable to initial value in the same line itself. So we don't need to do like that. We just need to write my var is equal to 0 semicolon. It creates a new variable called myvar and assigns it a value of 0. Define a variable a with where variable declaration and initialize it to a value of 9. So we need to write a declare a variable a and it should have a value of 9. Okay, now let us run the test. So it has worked. Now let us move to the next challenge.